du thuyền này có cái này hấp dẫn này các bạn. Mọi
Cái này
người
người ta gọi là có một cái gì đó còn em còn hiện khủng nó còn gọi là
đây mọi người ơi, sóc dựng lên giống như là nữ thần mà.
như là mấy người làm như là người trên hiking. Okay, that's a no. That's a no for me. Oh. I know, sorry. I just don't really like it. Straight up. Mom, that's lightning. My car. If you look in that video behind me, I'd probably on, I don't know, somewhere in the blur of me panicking, my car is behind me. I hadn't actually ended up like leaving and going on the hike yet. I had gotten out of my car, walked across the parking lot, and then walked onto the trailhead. And then I took the video and we know where it went from there. So I ended up sprinting back to my car. You're not supposed to do that. You're not supposed to hide underneath a tree or anything like that because it will strike the highest thing around. You're supposed to go to low ground, a ditch, a divot, I don't know, something like that, and then cover your head and like get as low as possible. I was running to my car because I figured if it strikes my car, it's like metal, right? So it'll, oh, the cat is climbing my phone. It'll go around me instead of into my noggin. The amount of people that have asked if it was the cat rubbing on my head and making static, or if it was the lightning, is kind of ridiculous. I'm going to show you. And let me grab my cat. Duma the Bengal is going to be our demonstration for today. So obviously, if you rub a cat on your head, some hair is going to stick up. But like, not like it did in that video, you know what I mean? It wasn't sticking straight up. So no, it was not from the cat. It was actually the lightning. And did lightning ever strike? I have a very anticlimactic ending for you. It did strike, but not where I was. It ended up striking more like in the sky itself, you know what I mean? Where I was in the middle of the mountains. And so I'm sure that the static energy was probably high. I don't know. I'm not a meteorologist or whatever, so I don't actually know enough about this. I will do the research and I'll come back and tell you. So it struck, but not the ground. And yeah, I ended up just like booking it, and it struck, but not where I was standing. And I just remember learning that at some point, probably here on TikTok, honestly. So there's your answer. I don't know.